Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds at PrizePicks step by step. First, go to the official PrizePicks website or open the mobile app and log into your account. If you're using the website, click the menu in the top right corner next to your profile icon. If you're on the mobile app, tap the menu in the top left corner. Next, select Request Withdrawal. This will take you to the withdrawal screen. Choose the withdrawal method you want to use. Make sure it's the same method you use to deposit funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the request. You'll receive a one-time passcode or OTP to verify the withdrawal. After confirming, you'll get a confirmation email. The withdrawal will then be processed according to the platform's processing time. And that's it. Your funds will be on their way to your chosen withdrawal method. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.